Hi everyone, and thank you for joining us in April's Cooking with Celebrate episode. This episode is very special. We will be showcasing our winner of our National Nutrition Month cooking contest. We will be making Maria's egg bites today. Let's see our ingredients. 10 eggs, 1/4 cup feta cheese or cheese of your choosing, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon chives, 1/2 cup sauteed white onion, 1/2 cup sauteed mini bell peppers, 1 cup ground chicken or chicken sausage. So this recipe is super simple and easy to make. All you will do is combine all of your ingredients into a bowl and then pour everything into our silicone molds that we then will place in an air fryer. Now, if you want to, you can also bake these in the oven in a silicone mold as well. It will be at the same temperature, 350. But we really like the convenience and ease of the air fryer, so that's what we will show you today. So we'll start, we will just add our peppers first, right into the bowl with our eggs. We will add our onions, our feta, and then our chicken sausage. Our last ingredient will be our chives. We'll whisk everything together. Okay, so salt and pepper will be added to taste. What I typically do is I pour just a little bit in my palm. So it's probably about 1/4 teaspoon, I would say. And then I will sprinkle that in. Remember, you want to start out with less because you can always add more, but we can't take out if we put too much in. So a little bit of salt. We'll sprinkle that in. Mix it up. So then I like to just use a 1/4 cup measuring. I think it's easiest to just grab and scoop to create the least mess because it definitely will be messy. So we'll just grab it and we'll fill our molds to the top. Okay, now that we have our mold full, as you see, it's very pretty and colorful. We will add it to our air fryer at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Now, I like to go 10 minutes and then take it out, check it, and then put it in for the remaining 10. Okay, once your egg bites are finished cooking, you can take them out of the molds and plate them. I sprinkled some chives and some feta cheese on top to decorate them. You could dice up tomato, you can add whatever you want on top of them to really make them fun and colorful, but these are super easy and delicious. You can make them on a weekend and then that can be your breakfast throughout the rest of the work week. Thanks for joining us and stay tuned for our next episode of Cooking with Celebrate.